Hi, I'm Autumn from Dylan's RV Center, and today I'm going to show you all around a Fleetwood Discovery LXE 40M. This is a luxury diesel pusher, and it's built in a Freightliner raised rail chassis. It has an 8.9 Cummins diesel engine and an Allison 3000 transmission. The exterior construction has a one-piece fiberglass roof, no seams, no leaks, and it's 100% walkable, so you can get a bird's eye view of wherever you're camping or wherever you may be. The hitch around back can tow up to 15,000 pounds, and it has a powered LED awning. It features a mobilized system with lane departure and collision warning. There is a touchscreen radio as well as a different monitor for your backup and side view cameras, all of your knobs for your generator, your radio, things like that. You have heated passenger and side chairs, and a TV right above the cab. My favorite part of the living area is these theater seating. They're great, super comfortable. They have cup holders conveniently located, and they have USB ports built right in so you can charge your phone right out of the cup holder. The ultra leather is super comfortable. It even has opposed seating so everybody can sit down and hang out, and they have seat belts so you can hang out on the road. It has a televator TV, storage on the sides, and then this kitchen is to die for. Now we're in the kitchen. It has a pull-out counter that also slides in for more space. Residential appliances that are stainless steel, including a dishwasher, so you don't have to wash dishes while you're on vacation. A fireplace, another TV, and a booth dinette. Come with me and see the back part of the coach. This coach has Firefly multiplex lighting, so you can control everything for the coach in one spot, from the lights to your generator to the temperature. It's all right here, easy in one spot. There's a central back located right before the mid-bath, which is great for guests. It has tons of space for storage, and look at that beautiful hardwood. The king-size tilted view bed is perfect, so when you're laying in bed you can read a book, and you won't distract your partner. The wardrobes in the bedroom are very great and spacious, and there's two of them, so his and hers. There's a TV and so many drawers for all of your clothes for life on the road. The first thing you'll notice in the bathroom is the washer and the dryer. It has a tiled corner shower, a dual vanity, and even more storage behind the toilet. For more information or to test drive this unit for yourself, come to Dylan's RV Center, the #1 RV dealer in the Northeast, located at 2190 Delsea Drive in Sewell, New Jersey, or give us a call at 856-228-0090. I'm Autumn. Have a great day.